Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change language on Discovery Plus. It's pretty simple. First, you have to go through your device settings. Then you can go through your app information section, or you can scroll all the way down to find all the apps that install on your device. Among those apps, find the Discovery Plus. Then when you find the Discovery Plus app, then simply click on it. Now from here at the bottom you will find preferred language. Simply click on language and then you will find all the language available in your device. Choose whatever language you want to set for your Discovery Plus app. That's how you can change language on Discovery Plus. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.